Meet the emu, Australia's largest native bird. Standing tall, they're second only to ostriches in size worldwide. Emus are flightless, but don't let that fool you. Their strong legs can reach speeds up to 31 miles per hour. Not just speedy, they're also endurance runners, capable of maintaining a steady pace for hours. Did you know emus can swim too? And their diet is diverse, feasting on plants, insects, and small animals. Emus are fascinating creatures with unique parenting roles. Here's a fun fact: it's the male emus who incubate the eggs. Discover the wonderful world of emus and their intriguing lifestyles. Explore Australia's wildlife gem. Please like and subscribe for more great fast facts.